I will discuss about the process of evolution. Vector of human evolution concept. This is the type of vector of human evolution. The second is secret reservation are required facial covering are strongly recommended sea health and safety. Natural selection is a symbol of mechanism that cause population of living things to change over time. In fact, it is so simple that I can be broken down into 5 basic steps. Abrasionism. Here as vista, variation, inheritance, selection, time, and adaptations. This is a variation and inheritance. Selection, survival, and reproduce. This is the type of survival reproduction. Environment cannot support unlimited population because resources are limited. More organisms are both than can survive. Some individuals will be more successful at finding food, meeting or avoiding predators and will have a better chance to thrive, reproduce, and pass on their DNA. Small legs, one used for walking, are modified for use as wings of flappers. Scales use the protection change color to serve as camouflage. This is the example of time and adaptation.
Hi guys, welcome to our blog. We are the reporter of the process of evolution. I'm the first reporter of the process of evolution. My name is Mary Joy R. Vallejos. Hi guys, welcome to our blog. We are the reporter of the process of evolution. I'm the first reporter of the process of evolution. My name is Mary Joy R. Vallejos. The process of evolution. Evolution is a process that results in changes in the genetic material of a population over time. Evolution reflects the adaptations of organisms to their changing environment and can result in altered genes, novel traits, and new species. Evolution processes depends on both changes in genetic variability and changes in allele frequencies over time. Evolution processes kay ang pag-process ng pag-change sa genetic material sa mga organisms, sa mga animals, humans, ng anak gani, tapos sa tanan na mag-process ng changes kay mo-adapt sa new generation, mga ingana na mga adaptation nila. Ang evolution nag-reflect sa pag-change ng organism sa environment ang mag-result ng altered genes, novel traits, and mahimo sila new species. Ang pag-evolve nila depende ra sa ila lawas sa pag-change nila or pag-adapt sa other environment para sila mabuhi, di sila mapatay pagdali. Pareha sa nahibaw na dumduman pa nako sa tagklase namo sa grade 10 sa science, an evolution sub an chimpanzee daw based sa scientist daw 98% kuno ang tao kuman og ang chimpanzee tag DNA test. One mechanism that drives evolution is natural selection, which is a process that increases the frequency of advantageous alleles in a population. Natural selections result in organisms that are more likely to survive and reproduce. Para to ang mga living things nagkalalay ng ila pag-changes sa isa ka environment para sila maka-survive.